Hey, what's up, everybody? Today we are doing smash burgers on the griddle, on the Blackstone Griddle, and it is going to be amazing, simply awesome-nominal. Hey, before we get started, I do want to remind you, hey, go and subscribe to this page. We have more videos that's coming out, more recipes that's going to be coming out, and hey, there is a Facebook page called Awesome Nominal Food on Facebook, so go check it out, go like it, follow the page for recipes, videos, and all kind of other things. Gonna be bringing some folks on that are incredible foodies, and you don't want to miss it. But anyway, we're not going to prolong this anymore. We're just gonna get right to it. Smash burgers on the Blackstone Griddle. Hey, make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and give a comment. All right, we are doing smash burgers on the griddle, the Blackstone Griddle. Boy, doesn't it look beautiful. All right, so we're oiling up the Blackstone Griddle, getting it ready. It's nice and piping hot, and we're gonna add our Vidalia onions. Throw those onions on there, and we're gonna caramelize these onions, get them nice and soft, and they're gonna go right on our burger. Now I'm going to add some vegetables, some extra vegetables, and that extra vegetable is the cremini mushrooms. That's brown mushrooms. We slice them up, prepare them, and we're just going to cook them down with our onions. Mix it all together and just let it marry together. Oh, it looks so good. Look behind me, there's some visitors that just showed up. We're getting that really cooked nicely. Here is our 80-20 beef and our bacon, and those little white chunks that's in my ground meat, that is bacon chunks. You can't go wrong with bacon. Just adding more flavor. It's just going to add another element to those burgers. Now, you see I'm moving my vegetables over to the side, and then we're going to oil our griddle again, and we're going to put down the bacon. Now, you can oil it or not. Really doesn't matter, because bacon will actually give off its own oil. And just going to let that cook. Look what I've done. I have used my spatulas for a press. That's to keep my bacon from curling up. I hate curly bacon. Don't you? All right, so we're going to move that bacon over to the side. Oh, it's just so hard right now not to eat it. So I'm going to take my balls of meat, and that is 100% certified Angus beef. And it's been hand-packed in a ball. And then I'm going to take it, and I'm going to just press it down, and just press it down on that griddle. That's why they call it the smash burgers, folks. That's why they call it the smash. Yes, because we're smashing. Oh, look at that. Woo! It's getting happy on the grill right there. And so this is a hot, seasoned grill. We've cooked on it several times. You can see the black coating. The black coating, it does not mean that it's dirty, folks. It just means that it has been cooked on quite a bit. Oh, I'm going to take that and just press it down. Now, you can get a burger press, which would work probably a little easier. But for this video, I didn't have a burger press. I had my spatulas, and so I was just pushing it down. So I'm going to let those sit. All right, so you're going to let those sit until they start bubbling up, having juice come to the top. That means that they are getting nice and done. And then you're going to flip them over. Just flip them. Look at that beautiful bark, that beautiful crust. Oh man, just looks incredible. I'm going to add that cheese. This is pepper jack cheese. We're going to put that on all of our burgers, and I'm going to come with some Colby Jack cheese, and I'm going to put that right there on the burger. So I've got two cheeses. It's going to be nice and cheesy smash burgers. So I'm cleaning up my grill now, And want to clean that grill up because I'm about to use the grill to toast up some buns. And I use the garlic butter. That garlic butter is incredible. Just butter them up, put them all down on the grill, and let them just toast up. Oh, it looks so good. We're going to dress this. I've used some Dijon mustard. I like Dijon. We're going to put that Dijon mustard down, put that patty on top of that mustard, and then bring in the vegetables. Oh, look at that. That just looks incredible. Oh, but the next addition to this burger is bacon. Oh, bacon just makes it taste so wonderful. And then we're going to slap some ketchup on it, put that down. Now notice I have tin foil as my base. We have the tin foil down for a reason. I'm going to show you. We are going to wrap that burger. Oh man, wrap this burger. This is one of the things that you want to do. Wrap it and let it rest for 5 minutes. All right, y'all, so this is the moment of truth. We are about to cut into our burger. It's been 5 minutes. I actually took time, cleaned my grill, and fast cleanup. I'm talking about quick cleanup. This Blackstone Griddle is incredible. Anyway, back to the burger. So what we're gonna do is, when we were constructing these, we forgot one small, look, I wanna show you something. You saw what the moisture did? Look at that. Look at that burger. Look how it just flops over, like it just flops over. You know, that's the reason why we put it in the tin foil. See the moisture? So what it does is it takes this burger and it just brings everything together. Oh, I'm telling you, this is gonna be incredible. But look, we forgot one detail, and that was the incredible fresh tomato out of the garden. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw that right there. So you know what? I got some salt and pepper. I'm gonna pour that right on the top of that. Oh. Look at that. Watch this. Look at the juice coming out of that burger. My goodness. All right. This is out of this world. That's all I can say. It's incredible. I just went to the downtown diner and got myself a burger. That's how good this is. The onion, the mushroom, the bacon in the burger, everything is so good. And the sauce, everything is just married together. I'm telling you, this is incredible. This is the end of the video. But look, I'm gonna be doing more videos like this. So hit the subscribe button. And if you want some notifications, hit that bell. And check out my videos that's coming up. Check out some of my older videos. I love to cook. I love to do videos. So I'm gonna bring you some more videos. So hey, hit subscribe if you like what you see. Blackstone, I love it. I love the Blackstone Grill. It's doing an incredible job for me, and I can't wait to cook more stuff on it. You stay tuned to this channel to see more stuff coming off this grill. Look at that. My goodness.